Means bank unions have been
came together for the strike. So give us detail about the strike, sir.
What is it?
About the strike, your details.
Yes, this strike call has been given by the United Forum of Bank Union. Now, this United Forum Bank Union comprises of 9 unions, 4 of the officers community and 5 from the clerical and sub-staff together. It covers almost all the bank employees of the entire country under the United Forum of Bank Union. So this United Forum has given a call for one-day strike demanding the implementation of the commitment made by IBA of the five-day banking. That means Saturday off on the other day. We have signed a settlement with IBA on 8th March 2024, and IBA has recommended to the government of India that the unions have agreed that in lieu of this 5-day off, five-day banking, that on other days, that is from Monday to Friday, they will be working additional 40 days to compensate the 2 days that they are getting off. With this recommendation it went, but unfortunately for 2 years the government has still not taken any action, and that is why we have given this call for strike. Secondly, if you go to see in India itself, in the financial sector, whether it is LIC or GIC, including the regulator RBI, they are off on all Saturday. Central government departments, state government departments are also off on Saturday. Your share capital market, other markets are also closed on Saturday. International markets are closed on Saturday. So keeping only our banking sector open on Saturday, that too additional 2 Saturdays, because we are getting second and fourth off, and that too after we committing ourselves to work additional 40 minutes, it is illogical and discrimination. That is what we feel. We only want that the commitment made by the IBA in writing in the settlement should be implemented, and bank employees should be given the 5-day banking. This is our demand, only one demand.
So how many bank branches are present over here?
Here the representative of all the bank branches. Here we have got 451 branches in Goa.
451.
451. All the branches of 451 are closed. Their representatives come, some are on the way. So this is entire banking has been closed. And if you talk about all India level, more than 2 lakh branches have been closed today, and more than 8 lakh employees are on strike. Officer, class, sub-staff, everybody on strike. It pains us that so many employees who are going on strike today, they are losing their one-day salary. They are sacrificing one-day salary. It's not that they are going to pay. And the government made us to lose this salary, to go into such an inconvenience for everybody, just to keep up his promise, or implement what has been committed. And that's why it's very shocking for us, it's painful for us, because bank employees has always been a dedicated workforce at good times and bad times, in the pressure times of the government also, whether it's demonetization, COVID time or other things, we have contributed, we have kept the branches working. We are a responsible organization, and because of our responsible organization, that's why we have agreed that we will be compensating by working additional on other days, 40 minutes minimum from Monday to Friday. We request the government to consider the genuine demand as early as possible and bring stability and peace in the banking industry.
So your name?
I am Maxi Pereira. I am the General Secretary of Goa Bank Employees Association. I am also the Joint Secretary of All India Bank Employees Association. Yeah. Thank you.